In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable intro video in Apex Legends on Steam. If you're tired of seeing the EA and Respawn intro every time you launch the game, this is a quick setting you can change directly in Steam. It only takes a moment, and in many cases, it will help the game skip straight to the loading screen so you can get in faster. To begin, open Steam and head to your library, where your installed games are listed. Once you're there, find Apex Legends in the list. Then right-click on the game to bring up the context menu. From that menu, select Properties. This will open the settings window for Apex Legends, where Steam lets you customize how the game launches. Inside the Properties window, look for the Launch Options field. This is where you can add startup commands that change certain behaviors when the game opens. In that box, type -dev. Make sure it appears basically as a launch option with the dash included. After entering that, you can simply close the Properties window. Steam saves the change automatically, so there's no separate save button you need to click. Now, launch Apex Legends as you normally would. In many cases, this skips the Respawn and EA intro sequence and takes you directly to the game's loading screen, which can make startup feel a little faster and less repetitive. If that command doesn't work on your version of Apex Legends, there's an alternative you can try. Go back into the same Properties window for the game, find Launch Options again, and replace -dev with -noviad. Then close the window and launch the game one more time. Some players report that -novid works better on newer versions of the game, so if the first option doesn't change anything, this second one is definitely worth testing. The important thing is to try one launch option at a time so you can clearly tell which one works for your setup. That's all you need to do. Open Steam, right-click Apex Legends, go to Properties, and add either -dev or, if needed, -novid in the Launch Options field. Once it works, you should be able to skip the intro video and get into the game more quickly.